Mr. Jones, I'd like to thank you for your time and your interest to meet with me and my team here today as it relates to our Trello solution for you. Very much looking forward to addressing how Trello can be a good fit for you and your team. Your current situation that you mentioned, you have about 50 employees right now. However, you shared that you are planning to experience massive growth, going from 50 to 150 employees in 12 months is a pretty monumental task. 300% growth, that could certainly be a challenge for anyone. But being able to match your goals and your objectives to your communication as well as your reach are areas that I believe we can really help you to shine in. You know, your different departments, from your executives to your developers, want to stay in close contact, and this is where Trello is really going to help you to shine. You know, being able to unite your team members with the same priorities, that can absolutely be a challenge with many different teams. And Trello gives you the ability to unite your team members in the same kind of mindset that your CIO mentioned, where they want to bring communication and organizational tools together across the entire organization. Trello lets you do this in a seamless fashion where you can have everyone on the same page and get that user friendly experience across different locations, different aptitudes, and even different device formats. So we're very confident and believe you're going to really like what we have available. Now, as it relates to the billing, some people are certainly fearful of contracts, and rightfully so. You haven't gotten to utilize us full time as of yet, and you've actually got the ability to go on a monthly basis. Now, our most popular plan, it's only $10.99 a month per seat. If you wanted to do that in a yearly fashion, you could go that route. Now it's only $13.49 if you want to go in a monthly fashion. However, we do have a business plan, which is a substantially upgraded version. And now that's only $24.99 on an annual basis, or $30.49 if you want to try it for a few months. You know, companies sometimes might get a bad review here or there. Any company worth its salt is going to have a couple of bugs to work out with a new version when a new version comes out. But we've made it our point and had a history of addressing those issues and being at the forefront of customer service. Finally, some folks have used Santa at previous organizations. They're big out there, but we see timelines being different in various departments and organizations, and we shine across multiple alignments, multitasks toolbars, single Google Calendar integration, as well as checklists. So this will put you far above and beyond with Trello, what you could ever do with Asana or other entities and other solutions. Once again, I'd like to thank you for your time and look forward to having you on our team. Thank you.